Ways to make him want you bad and become crazy about you. If you're madly in love with a guy, it's only logical that you want him to be madly in love with you as well. Of course, every man is unique, but there are a few typical strategies and techniques you may use that may help you achieve your goal. 1. Understand your partner well. Make sure you fully comprehend your partner. Most of you have probably figured out who your partner is, but before we go any further, I need to check this box. Each guy communicates love in his own unique way, as well as crazy over their woman in his own unique way. Some guys can stop a crowd by standing on something high and professing their undying love for their woman in front of everyone. However, some other males can't do this, but they can display their love for you in a different way, such as purchasing you a gift with all of his money, even if the gift appears to be inexpensive, because it is all he has. As a result, you must comprehend your partner's personality. He may already be crazy for you in his own way, and you aren't aware of it because it isn't how you expected. 2. Be unpredictable. Predictable is another word for boring in the world of relationships and dating. And I'm sure none of you is searching for a dull relationship. Am I right? Everyone enjoys a good mystery. When used correctly, it can even make you fall in love with a complete stranger. Keeping your guy guessing about things is one way to add a little bit of mystery to your relationship. One great approach to do this is to keep him guessing about what you're going to do to him romantically the next time you see one other. You can keep him awaiting the flavor of the dish you just learned to cook if he is a foodie. There are a variety of things you can keep him interested in. The primary goal of keeping him guessing is to ensure that he never forgets about you. His mind will constantly remind him of the surprise you have planned for him. His mind would continue to fantasize about the delicacies you're about to prepare. As a result, he has a lot to look forward to when he next sees you. You have to admit, this is a great place to start when it comes to making your guy swoon over you. However, we are only getting started, so hang in there. 3. Dress yourself up. Of course, the inside is more vital, but the outside is the first thing people notice. Wear dresses, cosmetics, and jewelers that showcase your greatest looks when you're first trying to make a guy crazy. This does not imply that you should dress in anything particularly exposing or tight-fitting. Revealing garments may pique a guy's curiosity temporarily, but they are unlikely to drive him insane for long. A dress that reveals a little leg or a shirt that fits your body in all the right places can work wonders, but your image should scream pretty rather than sexy. The goal is to have your physique and face appear their best. If the clothes make you seem good, even when you're not trying to win a guy's heart, they'll probably work for this purpose as well. 4. Dress casually. When you've gotten to know the person, it's time to let down your guard and put on some comfortable clothes. This informs him that he has effectively breached the barrier and wheedled his way into your life. Of course, your clothes should still be clean. A relaxed pair of jeans and a t-shirt make a lovely casual style. But a shirt that's 2 sizes too big and has a massive yellow stain on it might not be the best option. After you've gotten into the practice of dressing down, you should still dress up now and then to rekindle some of the sparks he felt the first time he saw you. 5. Let him make an effort for you. You've heard me say it before. Males like to hunt. It's nearly impossible for a guy to be attracted to you if he doesn't have to put in any effort for you. So, if you respond to all of his messages within 5 seconds and always say yes to all of his requests, he'll get bored quickly. Because if a man thinks you're too easy, he'll lose interest quickly. By the way, I don't believe that you should constantly be a hard-to-get ice queen. No, I'm referring to a lady who says, yes, I like you, but I'm not that easygoing. If you want to win me over, you must do your absolute best for me. If you can express this vibe to him, you will drive him insane with desire. You can accomplish this by requesting that he spend a significant amount of time with you. For example, if he asked you to meet him on a Friday evening at 10 p.m., you could answer something like, sorry, but I'm not the type of woman who appears at that hour. But because I like you, we can meet for coffee in town on Saturday afternoon. This immediately tells him that you are not an easy prey, and although we don't like to admit it, guys adore this. because things like this are what drives a man to obsess over a lady. 6. Give what you'd like to receive. The golden rule comes into play here. Treat others as you would like to be treated. The next stage in making your partner swim over you is to swim yourself over him. In a loving relationship, craziness is really contagious. When one person begins to act irrationally in love, the other follows suit. It can make you yarn, just like someone yarning your front. In fact, having read the word yarning, some of you may feel like yarning right now. In a relationship, that's exactly how crazy works. As a result, one of the quickest methods to make your partner enamored with you is for you to become enamored with him. 7. Maintain a balance between independence and dependence. You must demonstrate your independence while simultaneously ensuring that he understands his place in your life. Don't plead with the guy in your life to make room for you on the weekend if he's working. Accept it instead and make your own plans. However, don't be too reserved. It's not the time to check your texts or talk about your other buddies when he has you in his arms. 8. Make him feel like a guy. A woman who makes him feel so good about himself is one that will drive a man crazy. And as obvious as it may seem, a man can only feel really good in a relationship if he feels like the man. If you can make a man feel this way, he will find you to be much more appealing. This alone may be enough to keep him enamored with you. Making him feel manly is an easy approach to get a man to crave you. Okay, but Brainy facts, how can I make him feel manly? It's a lot less difficult than most women believe. The following are the most effective methods for doing this. 1. Seek him for support. 2. Allow him to take care of a situation. That's exactly it. It's that simple. So, if you've been to the grocery and are carrying a large bag, ask him if he can carry it for you. He will feel macho and strong at that moment. And it doesn't matter if you can carry the bag yourself. What matters is that you give him the impression that you require his assistance. Look, he desires you to see him as a real guy. He won't receive this sense if you knew everything yourself and never asked for help. What was the end result? He will lose interest in you and grow uneasy in your relationship. Don't get me wrong. It's fantastic if you're a self-sufficient lady who can handle everything. Allowing him to assist you on occasion, even if you don't really need it, is a simple and effective technique to make him want you more. This is a crucial stage in getting him to fall in love with you. Well, if you're serious about learning how to make your man crazy over you, we suggest checking out the first link in this video's description under Recommended Solutions. It's a professional and strong psychology guide that will help you win him over, even if he wasn't specifically interested in you. Thanks for watching.